Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to explain how you can analyze the live market using the previous 2 to 4 candles to predict what the next candle will be. So this video is very important for you, so make sure to watch it from start to end so you can learn the right way. How you can take trades by looking at 2 to 4 candles. So guys, as you can see in the market here, we are seeing an uptrend from this point. Uptrend means that buyers are very active here, and then at this point the buyers have exited. After that we saw a downtrend from here. Now if you look at this area, you can see a possible resistance level here, and if we mark this level, just a second, we'll use the rectangle tool here to draw a good level. So I've drawn the level here using the rectangle tool. For the next candle, we've placed the downtrend, and here I've placed a full amount trade for a down move. Almost certainly, we will easily get 2 red candles from here. That's why I placed my trade for 2 minutes. The logic is simple. We saw a downfall from here, and one reason is that this level acted as a resistance, which after a breakout went above support level 1. Now it will either take support here or try to form 2 red candles, because this could be a weak level, or it's possible that the market might break out of this level right now. Okay guys, so this was the reason which I just explained to you, and you can also check my trade history. There are still almost a few minutes left for this trade to finish. Okay, so you can see a red candle has already formed in the market. Now a second red candle should form. Otherwise, our trade here will be a win anyway, because as you can see, our entry is set much higher. Here is our entry. The market will try to stay below this level, or it's possible that the market might show a slight pullback and form a green candle. Okay, so both possibilities exist guys. You can see here that a green candle is forming in the market, and the reason for this green candle could be that a false breakout is being considered here. Okay, so for now, our trade will be an ITM trade. Okay guys, as you can see, this trade was our first ITM trade. The second trade, meaning the second candle, turned out to be a green candle here, which means a false breakout was considered from this point. If the market comes down now, we will place your trade here. We'll keep a 1 minute time frame, and as soon as the market comes down, we'll place your trade for 1 minute. Let me tell you the reason for placing your trade. The market considered a false breakout here and will close above the level, which means a green candle will form from here, because after a false breakout, the market usually pulls back upward. Okay, so you can check the history of this trade. This trade is also going to be a clear ITM trade, and it has indeed been a clear ITM trade. I have placed 2 trades in front of you. The first trade I placed here was for 2 minutes because I knew this wasn't a strong level for now, as I explained earlier, which is why we saw a red candle. After that, the market started pulling back upward. Okay, and we placed the second trade here, and both trades turned out to be ITM trades. Now our profit has been made, so we'll reduce our amount a bit. So how much will we set our amount to? We'll go with the minimum. From here we can place a $100 trade, but following the risk management plan, we'll place a $10 trade from here. And whether this trade is a loss or a win, it doesn't matter, because we're only placing a $10 trade here. The market has created a new high, and I've placed your trade because the market created a new high. And even if this trade is a loss, it doesn't matter, because we've only placed a $10 trade. Almost our profit is quite substantial now, because we placed 2 trades here and both were in the money trades. And even if the $10 trade resulted in a loss, it's not a big deal. We can just analyze another pair and recover this $10 loss. I wasn't sure here whether a red or green candle would form, which is why I placed your trade. Okay, Now we've had a $10 loss here, so to recover that, our next trade will be for $20. We'll take your trade from here as the market is trying to take support. As you can see, it looks like the market is trying to take support from here. The market, and from here we've carefully placed one of your anticipated trades, and we are now observing the charts, hoping to see a prominent green candle emerge right here, indicating a positive movement. Okay, let's meticulously observe, everyone, what the ultimate outcome and precise result of this particular trade will be. In my professional analysis, I strongly believe that the market should indeed form a distinct green candle at this specific juncture because it has very recently and clearly established a brand new high point. And as a general and often observed principle in market dynamics, when the market successfully creates a significant new high, there is a strong inherent tendency and eagerness for it to not only break past that newly established high, but also to sustain its position comfortably above that crucial level as rapidly and efficiently as possible. This momentum often drives further upward movement. Allow me to thoroughly present and show you the complete historical record of this trade, detailing all its movements and outcomes just this once. Alright everyone, as you can clearly and distinctly observe, the initial $10 trade that was unfortunately in a losing position has now been completely and successfully covered, meaning its losses have been recuperated, and furthermore, we have also managed to secure a substantial profit from our strategic trading. So, dear viewers, we will proceed to place one additional carefully considered trade here. However, before we execute this next placement, it is absolutely essential that I demonstrate to you in detail how the market is currently behaving and precisely reacting to the prevailing conditions. Here, we have deliberately placed a down trade, which might seem counterintuitive to many. Consequently, a significant number of people might understandably be wondering and questioning why I am choosing to place a down trade at this specific point, especially since, based on conventional wisdom, we might have been expected to take an up trade from this very position. But if I were to explain the intricate details to you, you would clearly see that this level in the market has become weak, okay? How did it become weak? If I show you, you'll notice that the market gave a minor breakout from here, which means that this level is gradually weakening. Earlier, the market tested this level from here, then again from here, so we understood that this level has now become weak and we can place a down trade. So I've placed my last trade here as well, and that trade was an ITM in the money trade, as you can check. By analyzing just a few candles, I've managed to win 3 trades in a row. Thank you for watching this video, guys. In this video, I wanted to show you that you can do your